Emotions are the heart of the human experience. They color our world, shaping how we perceive and interact with everything around us. From the elation of love to the sting of disappointment, emotions are the threads that weave the tapestry of our lives. Imagine a world devoid of emotions, a world where actions are dictated solely by logic and reason, devoid of the vibrancy that emotions bring. It would be a bleak and sterile existence. Emotions are our internal compass, guiding our actions and shaping our decisions. They provide valuable information about ourselves and the world around us, helping us navigate the complexities of life, whether it's the joy of a shared laugh or the comfort of a warm embrace. Emotions connect us to one another. They are the universal language that transcends words, allowing us to communicate and empathize on a profound level.
Deep within our brains lies the limbic system, the seat of our emotions. This ancient system processes and generates our emotional responses. The amygdala acts as our brain's alarm system. It triggers the fight, flight, or freeze response. The hippocampus forms and stores emotional memories. This is why emotional events are vividly remembered. The hypothalamus translates emotions into physical responses. Imagine walking alone at night when you hear a sudden rustle in the bushes. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and your body prepares to confront, flee, or freeze. This response, known as fight, flight, or freeze, is orchestrated by the amygdala. If the amygdala perceives danger, it triggers physiological changes to enhance survival. In the fight response, the body prepares for confrontation. The flight response prepares the body to escape danger. The freeze response is characterized by stillness and heightened vigilance. Emotions are not merely abstract feelings, they have a tangible basis in our brain chemistry. Neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers of the nervous system, play a crucial role in shaping our emotional landscape. Dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, is associated with pleasure, reward, and motivation. It plays a key role in addiction, as addictive substances often trigger a surge of dopamine in the brain. Serotonin, another important neurotransmitter, is involved in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Low levels of serotonin have been linked to depression, while antidepressants often work by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. Norepinephrine, also known as noradrenaline, is involved in the body's stress response. It increases alertness, heart rate, and blood pressure, preparing the body for action in challenging situations. Endorphins, a group of neurotransmitters known for their pain-relieving effects, are released during exercise, laughter, and other pleasurable activities. They contribute to feelings of euphoria and well-being.
Theories of emotion, from James Lang to cognitive appraisal. Theories of emotion explain the interplay between physiological arousal, cognitive appraisal, and subjective experience. The James Lang theory suggests emotions result from physiological responses to stimuli. We feel afraid because we tremble. The Cannon-Bard theory argues that arousal and emotional experience occur simultaneously. The Schachter-Singer theory combines arousal and cognitive interpretation. Cognitive appraisal theories emphasize thoughts and interpretations in shaping emotions.
Section 6. The social fabric of feelings. Expressing and understanding emotions. Emotions are not simply private experiences confined to the inner recesses of our minds. They are expressed outwardly through facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice, forming the basis of social communication. Facial expressions of emotion are remarkably universal across cultures. A smile conveys happiness, a frown signals sadness, and an angry scowl communicates displeasure, regardless of language or cultural background. Body language, too, plays a crucial role in conveying emotions. Crossed arms can indicate defensiveness, while leaning forward can signal interest or engagement. Tone of voice, even in the absence of words, can convey a wealth of emotional information. A raised voice often signals anger or frustration, while a soft, soothing tone can be calming and reassuring. The ability to accurately perceive and interpret the emotions of others, known as emotional intelligence, is crucial for navigating social interactions effectively and building meaningful relationships. Section 7. Emotional intelligence, the key to healthy relationships. Emotional intelligence, often referred to as EQ, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions and the emotions of others. It's a crucial skill for building healthy relationships, both personally and professionally. People with high EQ are adept at reading social cues, empathizing with others, and regulating their own emotions effectively. They're skilled communicators, able to express their feelings clearly and listen attentively to the perspectives of others. In the workplace, EQ is increasingly recognized as a valuable asset. Leaders with high EQ are better equipped to motivate and inspire their teams, resolve conflicts effectively, and create a positive and productive work environment. In personal relationships, EQ is essential for building intimacy, trust, and understanding. Partners with high EQ are better able to communicate their needs, support each other through challenging times, and maintain a strong and fulfilling connection.
Section 8. The Mind-Body Connection. How emotions impact our health. The mind and body are not separate entities. They are intricately interconnected, constantly influencing and responding to each other. Emotions, in particular, have a profound impact on our physical health and well-being. Chronic stress, for example, can wreak havoc on the body, suppressing the immune system, increasing the risk of heart disease, and contributing to a host of other health problems. Positive emotions, on the other hand, can have a protective effect on our health. Studies have shown that people who experience frequent positive emotions tend to have stronger immune systems, lower blood pressure, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Laughter, often considered the best medicine, triggers the release of endorphins, which have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. Exercise, too, has been shown to have a positive impact on both mental and physical health, reducing stress, improving mood, and boosting overall well-being. Section 9. The Dark Side of Emotions. When feelings lead us astray. While emotions are an integral part of the human experience, they can also lead us astray, clouding our judgment, distorting our perceptions, and prompting us to act in ways we later regret. Anger, for example, can be a powerful motivator, but it can also lead to aggression, violence, and destructive behavior. Fear, while essential for survival, can also be paralyzing, preventing us from taking risks, pursuing our goals, and living life to the fullest. Sadness, a natural response to loss and disappointment, can become debilitating if it lingers too long, leading to depression, hopelessness, and a sense of despair. It's important to acknowledge and validate our emotions, but it's equally important to develop healthy coping mechanisms for dealing with difficult emotions in a constructive way.
Section 10. Mastering our emotions, strategies for emotional well-being. Just as we train our bodies to become stronger and more resilient, we can also cultivate emotional intelligence and develop healthy coping mechanisms for managing our emotions effectively. Mindfulness meditation, a practice that involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance emotional regulation. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, a type of therapy that focuses on identifying and changing negative thought patterns, can be effective in treating anxiety, depression, and other mental health conditions. Exercise, even in moderate amounts, has been shown to have a positive impact on mood, reducing stress and anxiety, and boosting overall well-being. Connecting with others, whether it's through spending time with loved ones, volunteering in the community, or joining a support group, can provide a sense of belonging, purpose, and support.
Section 11. The enduring mystery of emotions. Despite centuries of philosophical inquiry and scientific investigation, emotions remain a fascinating and enduring mystery. While we've made significant strides in understanding the biological and psychological underpinnings of emotions, there's still much that we don't know. How do subjective feelings arise from objective brain activity? What is the precise nature of consciousness and its relationship to our emotional lives? These are just a few of the questions that continue to intrigue and challenge scientists and philosophers alike. The study of emotions is a journey into the very heart of what it means to be human. By unraveling the complexities of our emotional lives, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our relationships, and the world around us.